Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're unable to install Java successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and open up the search menu, type in CMD, best results should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in SFC followed by a space /scan now. Scan now shall be one word attached at / out front. Go ahead and hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, close out of here and restart your computer. And then once you've done that, you want to go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice, doesn't matter which one, but we're going to open up Google Chrome, and you're going to search for Java download. Go ahead and hit enter. One of the best results should be from a Java website here. Go ahead and open that up. And you want to select the Java download button. Select the agree and start free download button. And once it's done downloading, go ahead and open it up to run it. And you can minimize or close out of the web browser too. Go ahead and select yes to begin the installation. You want to select the install button now. And once you've done that, close out of here and restart. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was able to resolve your problem and you were able to install Java successfully. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.